In this video, you'll learn all the features of the new compact WashTower, including wash and dry times, reliability based on over 37,000 service calls, and the one problem that may keep you from buying this machine. First, the WashTower was an innovative new design when launched in 2020. So much so, my friends even asked me about it. They never asked me about any appliance. Anyway, the controls are in the middle of this machine, so it is much easier to access the dryer than traditionally stacking a separate dryer on top of the washer. However, you can now control most dryers from the washer through many smart apps, but the shorter WashTower is still a bit easier to access. The best feature to any LG laundry is their reliability, again rated as the best based on 37,000 service calls logged by our service team just last year versus the average. Controls aside, you have their Turbo 360 using 5 pressure hoses to shorten wash times to 30 minutes. The WashTower includes their AIDD programming to calculate the accurate wash times using the weight and fabric type of the clothes. Also plenty of cycles and options as well. The dryer's heat pump, which offers 2 distinct advantages. First, heat pump dryers recycle air heating with a compressor through an air exchanger with an evaporator removing moisture. So they're far more efficient than your vented dryer that continuously pulls air into the drum, heating with elements and venting all that heat outside repeatedly. So you'll save money, and with the dryer being the second most expensive machine in your house, you'll probably save $150 to $200 a year. The second advantage is its ventless operation. You can place a heat pump anywhere with 240 or 120 volt power depending on the machine. Of course, you'll need a drain and water for the washer. And guess what? You'll never have to clean a vent again. You probably thought I would say lint like the all-in-one units, but you have a separate washer to help and a self-cleaning condenser in this machine, although I would still check for lint frequently, however. Surface is still a consideration for a new product like heat pumps. Finding someone to fix a newer machine may be a problem, but the same could be said for finding tech to repair anything, and heat pumps are popular and reliable in HVAC since the 1970s. And heat pumps are gentler on your clothes, but they dry at a lower temperature, so they take longer. Unlike many heat pumps, this WashTower is 240 volt, so let's see how long it takes. First, a separate large vented washer and dryer is much faster than any heat pump. The compact took longer to dry than LG's heat pump dryer and was about the same time or longer than the larger all-in-one combos, even at 120 volt, mostly because the clothes need space to dry faster. But you can still reload the WashTower instead of waiting for the whole cycle to wash and dry like you do in an all-in-one combo washer and dryer. You have good features in a machine designed to fit in a smaller space, but that's the problem. The depth is already 26 inches, but you also need 4 inches of clearance for 30 inches minimum depth. For many smaller, tighter closets, that's a problem. But is it a problem for you? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching. If you find this information valuable, please hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel to grow. Thanks for doing that.